Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. It's a summer season and the days are longer. It's also, vacation time. Schools are closed. So people generally are outside, mostly cooking or grilling. Also it's a time for barbecue, and most of the time, people make a lot of stuff on the barbecue, whether it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian. And one thing which is common is the corn, and everybody likes corn so much, but it takes so much of time, especially if you have a larger group for barbecue. Then it takes a lot of time also. When you place the corn all over, the cooking is not even. Some are like, raw, some are overcooked, some become chewy. So uh, I have a tip to make corn really quick with little preparation. I was going to show it over here, but then I realized that I have not attached the propane tank to the grill. So I'm going to do it inside. So let's go inside. So let's check this out. So I have boiled the corn and it has been completely cooked. You need to drain the water. So we have to make sure the water is completely drained out. So now we will roast the corn on the flame. Actually, this method is very good for even one or two, cobs when you do it. You don't have to go outside and use the bigger grill, And it literally it takes 2 minutes, and you don't have to worry that whether the corn kernels are cooked. And on the bigger grill, you can just put all the corns together, and within 2 or 3 minutes, your corn will be cooked. So if you have a larger group coming over, you can boil it, in advance. And for barbecue, there is so much of work to be done, like chopping, marinating the meat. So cooking the corn is not a big deal. So see, this is already done. And even when you feel like doing just for one, you can do it, but make sure it is boiled, because here it can be a little problem in the inside the house. This is good. This works because the corn is already cooked, and then you can use your favorite seasoning or just butter. It's so good. Just 3 minutes it took for this corn, so it will take 3 minutes for all the corns. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.